Barbershop run. Fresh cut. Done with that. No touchdown. Barbershop run day 2. I don't think you need the white line, but I think you should. Yeah. All right.
But you said when I left here, he was there. Remember how I took those microwaves people thought I was there? So we did that. No, I had all the kids.
Super crispy.
I had all the kids. I am your father. But when I left, BJ tried to put me in that corner over there. He tried to start with button downs with the tie. With the tie and all that. Button down shit. I was doing that.
Can I have a large orange chicken and 2 chicken egg rolls, please?
Large orange and 2 chicken egg rolls. Anything else?
That's it.
You can come to the window.
Orange chicken, combination for ours. Chicken egg rolls.